Why struggle with multiple communication tools when you can have them all in one place? Meet HelpGent, designed to simplify communication and amplify engagement. HelpGent unites live chat, video, voice, and text message with screen recording and lead capture in one place, simplifying communication and cutting costs. HelpGent's live chat connects users directly with your team, offering a seamless way to address customer queries quickly and efficiently, saving time for both your business and your customers. Boost engagement with a personalized video message and screen recording. Keep users hooked and lead them to action, boosting up to 34% of conversions. HelpGent ensures you never lose a lead. This will enable you to save incomplete data to capture every input from users. Plus, you can also collect leads at any step of the data collection process. No support team? Don't worry. HelpGent is built for small to medium teams, offering premium support tools at an affordable price. This is just the beginning. The upcoming updates will introduce AI-powered features to deliver faster, smarter, and more engaging interactions. With HelpGent, enjoy complete customization, GDPR compliance, voice messaging, a user feedback system, and a product carousel, everything tailored to your needs. Take your customer interaction to the next level by rebooting your communication with HelpGent. Get started now to engage, connect, and grow.